Hey everyone, welcome back to Superset Sunday. Today's superset is for the core, Russian twists followed by the boat hold. Strong core isn't just about the six-pack. It's about the kind of core that actually supports your lifts and looks great. You'll feel this one challenge your rotation, balance and mental toughness. And the best part, you can do it right at home with just a dumbbell.
Sit down, lean back, lift your feet slightly. Now hold the dumbbell at chest height, twist side to side with control, keeping your core tight. The motion comes from your torso, not just swinging your arms. Legs can be fully extended or slightly bent. Struggling to balance? Drop your feet to the floor and just rotate. You'll still get the benefit. Can't use a dumbbell yet? Do bodyweight twists until you build strength. Right after twists is the boat hold. Lift your legs into a V position, keep your chest lifted and spine long, arms extended either parallel to the floor or parallel to your legs, and hold. Your abs should feel like they are doing all the work here, not your hip flexors. This isn't just a burn. It teaches your body to brace and stabilize under fatigue. To make it easier, you can bend your knees. Bending the knees reduces the leverage and makes it easier to hold the position. Another way of making this easier is to keep your hands on the floor for support. The key is to avoid collapsing. Stay active and engage through your core. If you're just starting out or feeling your lower back kick in, try the beginner versions. You'll still build strong abs without overloading your hip flexors. This combo works your obliques, abs, and deep core stabilizers. Do 3 to 4 rounds of this superset at the end of your workout. Aim for 10 to 12 reps per side for the twists and a 15 to 20 second hold for the boat.
You don't need a ton of ab exercises to get a strong core or a lean waist. If you add focused supersets like these at the end of your workouts, you'll build a strong core that looks great and also actually supports your lifts. Try it out at the end of your next workout. You'll walk out with abs fired up in a short amount of time. It's simple, brutal, and effective. I'll see you next Sunday with another superset.